Hello, Funke Oyende here today. I want to show you how to make lovely, beautiful pom-pom, something like this, fluffy pom-pom. So, to get started, here we're going to be using yarn. I want to use these 3 colors of yarn together, and then I'll be using my scissors and then a thick cardboard as templates. So let's go. I'll be using the 3 yarn together. I just arrange them together and wind them around my cardboard. So I'll keep winding until I have enough. So now I have been able to wind my yarn around my cardboard enough. So now I'll cut off the excess, and I'll be cutting a little part of some length of yarn to use to tie my pom-pom in the middle. So I'm going to remove the cardboard, and at the same time I want to pass the small length of yarn, so I can use it to tie the middle of my pom-pom. So once I do that, we'll be ready to go. Okay, let me remove this third one. Okay, so let me pull out the cardboard now. Okay, so I'll tie this . After tying, then I'll be cutting open the loops. So I'm going to cut open all these loops. Make sure you cut them all the way through. Okay, now next I'll begin to trim. The loop length to a smaller size all around my yarn, all around my pom-pom. I begin to trim. Okay. So I keep trimming until I have a uniform length of until the length of the loops, or the length of the yarn, is equal all around my yarn ball, my pom-pom ball. Okay, so here we are. I have my fluffy pom-pom formed and beautiful. I hope you enjoy this. Subscribe to my channel so that you can have more of my tutorials coming shortly. Thank you and bye-bye.